our own pizza. How fun is that? So for anybody that is running out of some recipes or would like to make it a fun night for the family, this is something that you can get your kids involved in doing. You can have them make their own pizza. Let me show you guys how. Tonight is going to be a fun pizza night. So what I did is I went ahead and purchased some pre-made dough, and it came with the sauce. I got it at Sam's Club. They also have them at Costco. I diced up some basil from my garden, some tomatoes from my garden, diced them up, some onions, some purple onions, some pineapple. This is mozzarella cheese with a blend of cheddar cheese. You can use just pure mozzarella cheese if you like also. I bought some pepperoni, and then I have some minced garlic. You can add things like black olives, diced chicken. You can add seafood onto it. This is your pizza. If you want to make your own dough type pizza, you can as well. You can get recipes online. This is what you do. You go ahead and you just pour the pizza sauce all on the pizza dough, just like this. Squeeze out the pizza sauce. And then I'm going to take the spoon in just a moment, and I'm going to make a circle with the sauce all over the pizza. Just like this. I'm going to leave a little bit on the side edge for the crust. So we're going to go like this and and that is my oven. It's ready. It's saying it's ready. That beeping sound. Okay, so just circular motion around and see how I left an area for the crust on the side. Okay, now my hands are completely washed, and I'm going to go ahead and take some of the cheese. We're going to put the cheese on here. We're going to layer it however much cheese you want. You want extra cheese, you can do that. This is so much fun to make pizza. The kids will have so much fun. We do this maybe about once a month, make our own pizza, and the kids have so much fun making their own pizza, and they want to eat it. They'll even try new vegetables and things because they're making it themselves. So I'm going to put some pepperoni on my pizza, and this is how I'm going to layer the pepperoni. All in a circular manner, just like if we were to go to a pizza restaurant. Right, just like this. And I'm layering all of the pepperoni. But like I said, this is your pizza. You guys can make it any way you want to. I like a lot of vegetables on my pizza. And I'm going to throw some basil on top of my pizza. And I'm going to throw some tomatoes on there. Just like this. I'm going to put some purple onions on my pizza with the tomatoes and the basil and the pepperoni. And like I said, if you want to make your own dough, you can make your own dough. That would be a fun activity also. And then you can just buy some pizza sauce. This is some Hunt sauce. But you can buy pizza sauce and just put it on the bottom. And now I'm going to throw some garlic because I really like garlic a lot. But you don't want to put too much because a little garlic goes a long ways. It's very strong. So just put it on there. Just a little pinch here and there on your pizza. And voila. And then, just like this. This is a really fun activity to do with the kids. Do a movie pizza night, and that would be a great activity to do with the kids. I hope that you guys had a great time making your pizza. I'm going to throw this pizza in the oven, and I'm going to have my kids come down, and they're going to make their own pizzas. Bye, friends.